Are you ready for part 2? I am. Let's get started. Alright, let's just begin where we left off. I was about to remove these trims. I already did. All I did, I went to Harbor Freight, got myself this tool set. The only one I need is this one right here. All I did, went underneath and I just slided this tool, and that was unhooking these little clips right here, and you'll be able to remove them. Simple. That's all I did to both back and front window. Right there, everything's removed. So let's just continue with the fixing of the dents. All right, let's begin with this dent. I'm gonna get my 36 grit sandpaper with angle grinder. I'm gonna remove all the paint from that area. I need the bare metal to be there in order for that body filler to stick. The dent's not that deep, so the body filler will cover that up real nice. All right, there you go. Try to go about an inch away where the dent is at on the sanding. I still gotta sand with some 320 all around so I can smooth out the surrounding area, but this is perfect. There it is. That is perfect right there. Now I can start applying the body filler. Another thing, guys, I got myself a brand new DA from Limeline. I'll leave the information to this item. Really nice DA. Does a real nice job of sanding. This is what I'm going to be using for the entire car. Nice. This is the body filler I'm going to be using. Some polyester body filler. Let's just mix it up. Start applying it. There it is, guys. Sorry I didn't record it when I was applying it. I thought I was recording. But there it is. All I did was just apply it. I'm just going to let it set. It's kind of tacky right now. I'm going to let it set for a little bit. Alright, I'll be using the DA with 80 grit just to get it as close as possible before block sanding. There you go. I'm trying to apply the least amount of body filler as possible. Now I'm going to come back, put some putty, cover everything up, and it'll be good. I prepared this one too. I just sanded it down and applied some body filler. And I'm now cleaning this area where the window is. Okay, all I did, I got myself the DA without the interface pad, 80 grit. Sanded everything up, sanded it down. Now I'm gonna get a wire wheel. I'm gonna clean every single little thing from this this window because there's surface rust all over, so I just want to get a clean job. Okay, sanded it down, put some self-etching primer and some primer, and I'll be good. There we go, nice and clean. Everything has been, all the surface rust has been removed. All I gotta do is apply some self-etching primer and some primer. We'll be good. All right, nice and dried. I'm gonna use two different blocks. It's gonna be this one and a round one. The round one's gonna be for this motion because this is rounded. I don't wanna get it all cornered. So I need to use the round one in order to get it rounded. And this is ready right here. I'm just gonna use the block, smooth it out, and this one too, and that's it. That's all the dents this car has. Other than that, I can start sanding the entire car for paint. There it is. I finished it up with 320 and 400. 400's perfect for the primer, and we're good to go. Okay, now, yes, before you start saying that there's dust and everything going inside the car, yes, there is, but it's gonna get detailed and cleaned and everything before returning back to the customer, so no sweat. After this, all the dents are fixed. Everything has been removed. I gotta start sanding. Here we go. In order for me to sand the entire car, I'm gonna get myself the interface pad, and I'm gonna start with 220 grit sandpaper and start sanding. Now, because this car is in perfect shape, the paint is not that bad. That's the reason I'm using 220. Now, it would have been a little bit more rough or peeling clear and stuff, I would have started with probably 120 or 180 grit sandpaper and smooth everything out, feather everything out. But when the paint is this good, all you gotta do is go with 220, then 320, and so forth. But let me just go with 220. Alright, let me just continue sanding. I don't want to have you watch me sand the entire car in real time. It's going to be a long video. But let me just continue sanding, finish up the car. All I'm doing is sanding it down. That's all I'm doing. For right now, I'm just sanding it down. Now, there's two ways I can do this car. One, I can do the inside of the door jambs and the doors first. Remove everything, remove the doors, remove the hood and trunk, and metal flake those areas, put the sealer, metal flake and everything. But it's getting cold here where I'm at in Texas. So what I'm going to be doing, we got a couple of good days ahead of us. What I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to flake the entire car with the doors closed. I'm not going to do the inside of the hood, door jambs, and trunk. Not yet. I'm going to flake the entire car, have it ready, clear coated, and have it ready. Then I'll remove the doors, remove the hood, remove the trunk, and do that. Do that, flake it out, have it ready, and that's the way I'm going to be doing it. You can do it the other way if you want, but this is the safest way for me right now, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So let me just continue sanding. We'll be good. And for the comments that I had last video, that if I was going to leave the door handles and the keyhole, no, I'm going to remove them. I already removed them. I just needed that to open the door and close it, but I don't have a window, so I can open it through the inside. But everything's getting removed. And there it is. Completely sanded. Now, all I got to do, cover it up. The finished sanding was 320. I'm going to leave it at 320. That's perfect for applying the sealer, the base, metal flakes, and everything. That's a perfect grit for that. But everything has been sanded down, and we're good to go. There you go. All these metal areas that are showing, I'm still going to need to put some self-etching primer before painting. But there it is. Alright, and that is how you prep a car for a metal flake. So, guys, this will be it for this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber so you can see the rest of the build for this lowrider car. But this coming weekend, guys, Christmas Day, I ain't gonna put a video. I want to spend it with my family, so that's why I did this video now. But there it is, guys. Thank you. Like always, God bless.